Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic DIY project for you. We'll be showing you how to install carpet using double-sided tape. It's a cost-effective and straightforward method that you can easily do yourself. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more exciting home improvement content. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Gather your materials. The first thing you'll need to do is gather all your materials. You'll need your carpet, make sure it's the right size for the room, double-sided carpet tape, a utility knife, a measuring tape, and a straight edge. Step 2. Prep the surface. Next, make sure the floor is clean and smooth. Remove any existing flooring or debris and vacuum the area thoroughly. A smooth surface will ensure a better bond with the double-sided tape. Step 3. Measure and cut the carpet. Measure the room carefully, adding a few extra inches to each side to ensure a good fit. Roll out your carpet and use a straight edge to mark the cutting lines. Then, use a sharp utility knife to cut the carpet to size. Step 4. Position the carpet. Roll the carpet back, leaving one side exposed. Align the carpet with the walls and ensure it's centered in the room. Step 5. Apply the double-sided tape. Now comes the magic, the double-sided carpet tape. Start by laying strips of tape along the edges of the room, keeping them about 6 inches away from the walls. Then, create a grid pattern with additional strips spaced every 12-18 inches across the room. Step 6. Secure the carpet. Carefully press the carpet onto the tape, starting from one side and smoothing it out as you go. Make sure there are no wrinkles or bubbles. You can use a carpet roller or simply your hands to firmly press the carpet onto the tape. And there you have it, a beautifully installed carpet using double-sided tape. This method is quick, easy, and perfect for a budget-friendly DIY project. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more home improvement tips. Thanks for watching and happy carpeting!